Alright, just learn me here. In this particular video, I'll be explaining what multi-missions are to you now using Java language for the implementation of this. So let's go to what multi-signature transactions are. These are signature transactions that are performed by multi-signature addresses, wherein public keys are recorded in the address, and name of those must provide signatures to release the encumbrance. So what this just basically means is that n number, which is a particular number of public keys come together, they create a new address, and funds to actually be spent out of that particular address. A particular number of signers must actually provide their signatures for it, and we're calling them in. So if let's say we have 4 particular public keys and that come together to actually create a new address, and we say, okay, we specify that at least 2 of those particular public keys must provide signatures for funds to be spent out of this particular new address. It's referred to as a 2 of 4 scheme, or you can think of it as an M of N scheme. So that's basically what multi-signature transactions are. And for this particular tutorial video, I'll just do a quick overview and I'll show you a link to where you can find a full tutorial that explains everything and the full source code for this. So these are the basic methods I use here. Probably new methods that you might not be familiar with basically for this tutorial itself. So we have a method that creates a multi-signature address, takes in a fashion. The threshold specifies the number of valid signatures, the number of signatures that must actually, number of signers that must at least actually provide signatures for funds to be spent out of that particular address. Then we have a method that creates a multi-signature transaction, and it takes in the account that will actually create the multi-signature transaction. It must be one of the accounts that actually created the multi-sig address. And as you can see, this particular method returns a multi-sig address also. We see multi-sig address here again too. It takes in multi-sig transaction. We write transaction to a file. All write transaction to a file so you can easily save it to your database or wherever you want to save it to. Then we read transaction from the file. Then we actually call this method that approves the multi-signature transaction. It takes in an account the signed transaction itself, and it actually this particular method to submit it to the network. So let me just let me run the code for you so you can see that this works, and let's look at the output together. So this is the particular code for this now. So let me run the code here. Multi-trans class here. It's running. And you can see. Okay, so this is my so yeah, so now it's about to show us the output results. So these are the 2 addresses that we actually combine together now to actually create a particular multi-sig address, and this is the multi-sig address that's created out of them. This is the multi-signature balance before we actually perform the transaction. This is the address that we're sending funds to before we this is the balance of the address we're sending funds to before we actually perform the transaction. This is the transaction ID after the transaction has been done, and this is the balance after the transaction. This is the multi-sig address balance after the transaction has been done. As you can see, it actually reduced from 948 to 935, and this is the receiver's balance after the transaction has actually been completed. It actually increased from 526 to about 652. So that's basically that. I hope you actually learned a lot from this particular tutorial. And one thing I would love to actually tell you is that there's a full source code for this on the Algorand developer portal, and you can actually find it there. I will show you a link to where you can actually find that now. So let me put that here. So you can actually find a link to that here. You can just click on reference.list like multi-sig in Java, or you can type this in your browser and you take to a full tutorial where you will see the source code for this and better explanation for this. Thank you, and bye for now. Bye.